Hi, I just want to do a quick review of this tote bag that I got. It is a large tote bag. I am going to use it for when I go out on the beach. It is great. I love these long handles. I love this pocket that it comes with. Of course, you know, it comes with a lot of, you can buy a lot of accessories that you can just add to these little holes, but I just love this. This is how it fits on. It fits nice and over your shoulder, so it doesn't get in the way at all. It is just really wide at the bottom and really tons of room in the inside. Also, I love that it is going to be easy to wash. So as you know, you can take this to the beach. When you get sand in this or anything, you can just kind of rinse that off and just let it set out and dry. So this is going to be fabulous. I am looking forward to using it all summer long. And these come in different colors. So if black is not your style, definitely get different colors. I could probably use all the colors that they offer because I just love these so much. I think it's a great value, and honestly, they're great gifts. So hope you found this helpful. Thank you.